what's good, my G? Just cool, chilling here. Alright, so you're seeing your screen clearly, right? Right, so this is basically the cover page here of the application. It's a mobile application, right? Um, so let me just put it into play and I'll show you exactly how it works. So you're going to web preview. Right, so this is exactly how the app going to work, right? So it have a welcome sign, welcome to your daily horoscope. Well, I didn't make a terms and conditions yet, but you have to agree in order to get access to the app, right? So once you click the switch here, right, so you see like a power button came up here, so this
You have agreed to our terms and conditions. Now you can proceed to pressing the blue power button below to begin.
Right, so that voice basically is a background voice telling you that you have agreed to the terms and conditions, and you can proceed to enter the app. Right, and then there's a little switch here that will show you different horoscope signs. I'm not sure if it's still working. Just now. Yeah, it's as you could see. Alright, so when you're going into the app, you just click in this power button here. Right, well, this is actually a website I took, right? So this is not originally mine, so yeah. Right, so I just take like a page from there, stating like the different dates and stuff of the different horoscopes. Then you have like the nicest amino signs in your horoscope. So if you click it, have a waiting period and then it'll pop up. It's a little slow, but yeah, like when you click the difference, well, you're not seeing any names of any horoscopes, right? But if you know the signs, you'll have an idea, and then if you click the options, whichever option, I think I only do one though. I think I only do the first one. Right, so you're getting a little breakdown of what the horoscope is and stuff like that. Alright, so you're returning, I can click next. Right. Yeah, I think I only do the first two. So you return back to the main menu. And it's all about like just coding buttons to it very simple. Just coding buttons to like navigate to different stuff. Yeah. Then you have the best behaved. This is actually a course I did that I learned to do this stuff. So yeah. So this have like a little GIF animation of all the different horoscopes. Yeah, but I do tend to take this all seriously and probably produce a game in the future. Never know. And 99% of this is all about the craft. You just have to put effort into your work to make it look good. And that is about it. The coding part very easy because the coding, they're actually doing the coding for you just for you to put stuff in place, which is actually good. Right, so I think that's it there for the app. I have another app as well that I made. It's a tourism app based on Trinidad and Tobago.
A new way of listening is waiting for you.
I was actually going to make an app for a clan that I had, but the clan is no longer existing. And I made like a photo gallery as well.
Plus, unlimited song skips let you hear only what you want, even on mobile.
But it's a real cool work, a cool app to use. Similar, just like when you open a gallery on a phone, you just see different stuff. As you can see below here, it have pictures, album stories, and I'm gonna just put it into play so you can see how it works. Play. Alright, so you have different images. So right now we are not pictures, and if you click the albums, right, so this is basically the albums, and then you have stories. Yeah, I didn't put much effort into this one, but yeah, that's how it is. Also made a calculator app. It's not fully functional, but it's working. Alright, so this is the cover page. You basically click start here to get access. You have a little time showing there. So you just put in 7, so see the clear symbol working. Alright, so that cleared out that. Um, I don't think the percentage on this working yet. And it's all about like storing values to get the output of your answer. Yeah, you do have to pay to publish an app. On the Play Store, I think it's like 20 US to get like a developer account. And also the bad thing about this app is that if you create something and like you don't have the paid version of the app, someone could steal your app and basically publish it. So you have to buy like a premium account on this app in order to keep yourself safe, and then you can proceed to publish. No, I don't think watermark could work, because what happened is that the person could just simply remove it, right? I'm not too sure now. I'm not too sure. But yeah. No, that's actually a good idea, but still, like let me just say, like you develop like like one of the world's greatest security system. Like for instance, when you're signing up on a web page or something, like you just develop one of the greatest security systems, and somebody happens to get access to your code, right? All they could do is screenshot your coding and probably do the code to their suiting, and yeah, and they could, you know, yeah, exactly. Alright, so I have one more app. This was one of the final projects we had to do for the course that I did. And then I could probably show you some of the apps that people make on the app itself. Right, so where is it? Where is it? Alright, final project. As you see here, it's public, so anybody could see and have access to this. And this is actually how many people copied your project. So as you can see, what's going on here already. 5 people. Calculator app, 2 people. Horoscope, 1 person. And so it goes. Alright, so this was a big project here. This was give me my marks to actually get my certificate for this project. So now I just play it. And I could actually download this right now and put it on my phone as a, like my own personal app, you know. But just saying, like let me just say for instance I make my own game and I want to like beta test it on my phone or probably send it to other people to test it. Yeah. Alright, so this is the front page here. It could basically gonna take like 5 seconds to load in. And I'll take you to the sign up page. Right? As you could hear, it have like a background song playing in the back with the steel pan instruments. And a sign up page with background switcher. Yeah, I put real work into this, so it's like real work. Right, and well, there's an invisible component where you could like click this song if you don't want the song, take it off, and well, if you are returning, the app is basically for tourists, right? You get to name your own stuff and stuff. I name my app Thunkable Thoughts. Well, alright. If you're a returning client, basically you type in your email address and password. It will be saved in a cloud Firebase where so it will remember your name and password. If you don't have an account, you will fill up the button pass, which is first name. So I'm just gonna show you an example, right? Alright. Yeah, I think you gotta take into consideration too when you're making like sign up apps is that people could just like type random stuff and get into the app, and that is something that you don't want. So you have to develop like a real good security system. No, it's not. No, it's not real numbers. It's not real numbers. It's just random names and numbers. Right? Right. Right. So as you could see, the password really supposed to come up as stars, but I didn't get that option to work. But yeah, all that you have to take into consideration when you're making a sign up page. Alright. Also for the email address, what you could probably do is like write a code to at least detect the like whichever email the person is using, whether it be Hotmail, Live, Gmail, or whatever the case may be. So right, so my email is basically e@gmail.com and my password is 123, right? So we're just gonna test it to see if it works. And that is basically what the teacher wanted us to have. Not really to have everything looking perfect and stuff like that. Alright, so you're gonna click get started here. You see it at a pop-up below. Please proceed to log in above after registering. Alright, so you're going to and then the password is going to be 123. Alright, so let me click login and see if it works. So it actually works, right? That's basically the login part and saving the information of people. Right? I wonder if I could start it over and type like a different password and see if it works or not. Just now. So the email was the password was 123, right? But I'm just gonna put 1 just to test the security system to see if it will actually detect that the password is incorrect, right? Right, so as you could see, it basically have an output stating that your email or password is incorrect. Right? So yeah. So it actually works to that point, but trust me, when you're developing a security system, you have to like put your brains out there. Right, so you're back into the app. Alright, so this is basically the home page here, showing you the different capitals in our country. Different places, and then it have pictures with slideshows. And you don't find the design have like a GTA effect. Like a Vice City, if you ever play Vice City. Yeah, San Fernando. Yeah, and I actually crafted all this by myself, right? With a app. That's, yeah. Yeah, GTA. Correct is right. I could have make my own GTA game. Yeah. Alright, so in RG 5, well, there's only 5 different capitals that I put, but there's much more than that. And after I could just return to the menu. And I don't know what the hell happened there, but it not working. Alright, something went wrong there, but it was actually working before. Alright, then you have cuisines. This is for like tourists, right? So these tourists have this up. Yeah, it glitch out. I don't know if I could probably go to the code and see where's the problem, but when button return click, so right, so that was the button that I was clicking, right? So when I click that button, I'm supposed to navigate back to the beginning of the screen, right? So the code is actually here, but I don't know why it's not working, but oh well. Right, it's have cuisine showing you different places that you could go to eat stuff. Quick slideshow again. It has the top 10 restaurants. Yeah, so it's showing you the top 10 restaurants in a slideshow motion. The different dishes that they carry and stuff like that. And then you have food with delivery services. Alright, Kentucky Fried Chicken. I think I just really like the first two. Right, so what's supposed to pop up below here is a actual map of the restaurants and where you could find them. But it would not show on the desktop because it's desktop. But it actually works on the phone itself. It works on the phone. Right. Then you have hotels, different rates, stuff like that. And the about is basically telling you about the app. Under here now, this is on the main page alone, right? All custom made buttons. So you have outdoor activities. Right, so this is a video I actually make on a video editor showing you the different activities that it have. Why it's not playing? Alright, we also have transportation services. I just made up a random number and another video as well. And what's the other thing? Oh, a rater system. So like people who want to read the app and stuff. I don't think I had it working properly, but yeah, it was giving some problems. Yeah, it actually not registering now, but it was working before, but I don't know what happened there. Yeah, and that is about it. Easy app to work with. If you were, you could check it out. The name of it is Thunkable, and you could actually start to like create your own app. Or I could show you some of the apps that people actually created on this. So you're going to top community projects. Right, so what we have here, we have TikTok too, blah 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 blah. Let me check out the TikTok too. Again, as you notice, design layout is a must. If you don't have these things, I don't think people will want to play an app. Alright, so I guess then you have to click this here. Is this even working? Okay, well I click in but nothing happening. I can't even put in any digits or anything. I don't know what the hell going on with that app. Right, so this person is actually creating something big. They created an app, a cross between Instagram and Snapchat, right? That is one of the like one of the two top apps that out right now, right? So let me see. Snapgram. Snapgram, I guess, it has something to do with like camera and stuff. Because once you click that button there, it'll give you access to your camera and stuff. Well, again, it's out there. A template that allows you to navigate to different slides. Let me see if there are any other games again. Alright, Flappy Ball sounding like a game. Tap between the screen to move the ball between the edges of the tree. Alright, so let me check out this Flappy Ball here. Alright, so Flappy Ball like I don't wanna load. Gyro Maze. Tilt your device. No, I don't think that'll work with me right now. Let's try about this Flappy Ball once more. So it actually working. Alright. how the hell it's supposed to? I don't know. Yeah, I'm not seeing. This game like it have a glitch or some shit. But it's not bad for our efforts. But I have some work to put into it. So anytime I hit the wall, that's it there. But I can at least get the animation to make it fall or something. Alright. Where's that? TFW. Thanks for watching. Yeah. I think he was the only person watching, but it had somebody else as well. They probably. But the thing about streaming on Twitch, I find sometimes like you might have like 4 or 5 people watching and they'll still share like as one person. I don't know why.